Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's a pretty exciting morning. We're going to get the car lowered. We're going to be going with some H&R lowering springs. They're going to lower the car 1.3 inches front and rear on the Xdrive. So we're going to get some footage of how it looks, maybe some installation shots. I'm not going to be doing the job myself, unfortunately. I'm just going to have a shop do it because it's not something I really feel like getting my hands dirty with. And as you can see, or hear maybe, it is a very rainy day, so this would be my only day to do it as well, so everything worked out. Yeah, so stay tuned and we'll get some of that footage of how the car looks before and after, hopefully.